Hello there. Today I will be discussing about Android push notifications. A lot many apps today are using push notifications to provide timely, relevant and personalized updates to their users. For this introduction chapter, I will provide an overview of why we should use push notifications in our app, what push notifications are, and how notifications work on the Android platform. So let's start off with the brief introduction to push notifications by answering the first question, that is, why push notifications? Why should we implement push notifications in our applications? What benefits do we derive as users and as developers by implementing push notifications in our applications? So, the answer to this question is that push notifications are a great way to increase the user engagement and improve the app visibility. Now, here I would like to stress on these two terms. The first is increasing the user engagement. Now, what does that mean? Let us try to understand. When I say increase user engagement, I mean is that it brings the user to the application. User, the mobile application or the user on whose device the application is installed, does not have to go to your application, does not have to launch your application to engage with the application. By using push notifications, you are bringing the user to the application in the shortest and surest way possible. This increases the user's engagement with your application. The user is constantly interacting with your applications without actually having to go and launch the application manually. Now, coming to the second point, which is improving your application's visibility. Now, this point is in some ways related to the first point, in the sense that on the user's device, it is very easy for your application to get lost in the sea of other applications which may be installed on the user's device. So, over a period of time, the user may not use your app that frequently if he is not aware of what new updates are there or what new features are part of your application. So, what push notification does is, by sending out timely alerts, by sending out relevant alerts to the user, it keeps the user in, informed about new updates to your application, new updates to the content, which in ways keeps your app visible in front of the user. Now, to highlight these 2 points, or to show that as many application developers or many organizations who have realized the potential of using push notifications in their apps, I have noted down a couple of surveys which have proven that developers and organizations fully understand the kind of benefit that push notifications brings to their app. So for the first, as you can see, that based on a US survey, there are close to 70% of the top 100 retailers with mobile apps have push notification in their apps. So there are the top 100 retailers in the US which have mobile applications are using push notifications. Another user behavior which has been recorded in this survey is that close to 70% of smartphone users in the US are constantly checking their phones for alerts or calls. So the modern smartphone user is someone who is constantly checking their alerts notification tray, and that is the best way for you as a mobile application developer bring your app to the user's notice at regular intervals by providing timely and relevant updates. Now, on the other hand, just focusing a bit on the modern smartphone user, what does the smartphone user expect from the notifications that he or she receives? Now there are 3 points that are highlighted here, that the notifications have to be relevant, they have to be timely, and they have personalized. Now these 3 points are very crucial, are the basic characteristics which you as a developer need to ensure when you're implementing push notification in your applications. Now, the first point, relevant. The alerts have to be relevant. Alerts have to be something that the user has subscribed to. Second point is that they have to be timely. Now, by timely, it means that they have to be sent out to the user. If the user has subscribed for some notification that relates to a event, then they expect that the notification should come to them when the event starts. So that is very crucial, that alerts are delivered in a timely manner. And the third point is personalized. So there should be a level of customization that the user should be able to perform with the notifications, whether that means specifying the kind of alerts, or whether that means being able to subscribe or unsubscribe for notifications, and other levels of customization for the notifications. So these are the three basic tenets of push notifications that as a developer you should ensure when you're using them in your application.